This video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of a full how-to, more of a life hack. It's a 2013 Ford Escape. Just finished replacing this rearview mirror. She's still a little bit loose because I haven't tightened the bolts. The problem is, in order to get to this thing, I have to get this black panel off. The instructions online require taking the whole door panel off. Now, the reason for this is because in order to get this piece right here off, this is a freestanding piece, it has to slide backwards. Now the problem is there's not enough clearance right here for it to slide backwards. So you have to take the door panel off in order to remove this piece to get to 3 bolts and a wiring harness. Or do you? So just to see if I could do it, what I've done is I've slid just the top portion of this plastic piece back. Again, you can see it's pinched right here. There's not going to be clearance. But I know there's little clips right down in there that I don't want to break. But if I rotate this piece back to release those top 2, look at that. So those 2 white clips, those 2 white tabs in there are what this is going to clip on. And I don't want to break the plastic retaining clips on this actual mounting piece. Now the problem is I still have this guy here, and he needs to go this way, but he can't. Well, I can use a little bit of geometry, and if I rotate this piece forward and simulate that piece going back, I need both hands to do that. I'll be right back. All right, so the piece is out, and this is not movie magic. I didn't break any of these retaining clips. I didn't break these. What I did was, again, you saw me pop this piece forward. Well, then I needed to rotate this piece back that way to release this bottom from this tab here. Well, I needed 2 hands because I needed a piece on the plastic, and then this door panel has just enough wiggle room for it right here, and I'm not using a ton of pressure, just a little bit of pressure here. That gives me enough clearance right behind it to rotate that piece out, and I probably just saved myself probably a good hour of removing this entire door panel, the electronics for the locking mechanism in the window, the mechanical mechanism for the door handle release. That all has to come out if you pull this door panel off. But a little bit of just creative thinking and problem solving, able to find a much easier way to remove that. Now let's finish the job. Again, just the 3 bolts here. You can find these instructions online. 1, 2, and 3. That's like the easiest part of the whole thing. This guy just has a little release clip on the bottom. You release that. That's your wiring harness there. Wiring harness, the female portion here comes with the replacement mirror. So, boom, plug and play. Make sure you test it. I've already tested this one. I know it works. Make sure you test it. Make sure the motors inside the mirror work, and that all your wiring connections are good. But this one already works. So now it's just a matter of putting this black plastic trim piece back in place. I'm going to follow the same process. So I'm going to start by slotting the bottom piece in, rocking it forward, and then bringing it back to get that to hook. That's going to give me enough clearance, hopefully, to then rock this forward. Okay, real quick, just so you guys can see that I'm not crazy. Bottom pin is secured. So again, I just rocked it. You slide that behind that door panel here. Get this down on the joist. There's a little lip right here on the plastic piece. Make sure that goes underneath this door, interior door panel. And now I'm going to be able to rock this piece back. You can see that's not the position it goes in, but I can rock it back. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Make sure that those little plastic clips hook in there, and then rock it forward. Look at that. Like a glove.